Hey guys, how you doing? It's your boy Nate. I'm back with Hood Car Reviews today, and today I'm at Sierra Chevrolet in El Monte, California. I have a beautiful surprise for you guys today. I'm so excited to show you guys this car, and I have been greeted by the best salesman on the lot, and he has led me to this beautiful spec. Yes, sir. We have the CAMARO ZL1 1LE. You see us, baby. Got the black on red with the red calipers. Got the black side rear view mirrors. Look at us. We are looking beautiful. Got the side skid plates. Don't forget the skid. Look at this. Got the carbon wing. The black top package. So the Chevy's all blacked out. Crazy pipes. ZL1 badges all around the car. You know what time it is. It is hammer time. Now what I like about this car the most is that this car is a straight menace. This car is just beautiful. Like when you pull up in this car, people know who the boss is on the scene. I don't care if you're around Lamborghinis. I don't care if you're around Ferraris. When you pull up in something like this, they just know it's special. And that's what I love about muscle cars and some cars. There's some cars just have that appearance. It doesn't matter how much you paid for it, whether the guy beside you paid for $400,000 or if you paid $1 million. Sometimes cars are just fierce. It's just the emotion of the car. It's about the emotion, and that's what I love about vehicles. It's what you feel when you see it. And when I see this, I just see aggression. It's just like I want to eat every car on the road. You ever just wanted to kick everything out of your way? This car makes me feel that way. It just seems like, hey, I'm the badass around here. The rest of you guys are just visiting. This is my playground. I'll throw the rocks at you. And that's how it makes me feel. This car right here is excellent. It is beautiful. Give me 1 second, I gotta take a phone call. Hello? Y'all coming in? I'm reviewing the car. No, I'm not inside, but I'll come get y'all. All right, I'm kind of to the right. I'm out here. I'm out here with the beast car. I'm to the right. Just make a right, and then come around the corner. I'm right here. I think so. Well, like Subaru. Yeah. All right. All right. Yeah, fellas, that was the wife. Had to handle business real quick, but I'm out here with the ZL1. It's crazy. I don't know what else to tell you guys. I'm just very excited to see this car. It's not many times that you get to see a vehicle that this special. I feel like I want to set a goal to get this car at the end of the year. I don't know if we can make it happen on this channel, but I really would like to have this car in my possession by the end of the year. Now the wife is coming around. She's gonna check it out with me. Got my daughter too, and we're gonna see what they think about the beautiful vehicle. Let's go. Told my daughter Sapphire and my wife Angela just showed up, and we're about to show them the ZL1 1LE. Let's see what they think.
Ooh, what is it?
The ZL1 1LE. It's a Camaro.
It's neat.
What do you guys think?
It's nice.
You like it, baby?
How come it feels smaller than other Camaros?
You said, how come it feel what?
How come it looks a little smaller than other Camaros?
I think it probably feels a little bit smaller because it's lower to the ground and it has a special package. You see how the other ones kind of sit up a little bit higher? Yeah. This one is made for the track. So the suspension is very stiff. Yeah, it's very stiff. It's a 6-speed manual. So, you know, you got to know how to drive stick to ride in this. You know how to drive stick? Mm-hmm. Really?
From here to the light.
Sure, really? Where'd you learn how to drive stick?
You can't get further than 5 minutes.
Oh, where'd you learn how to do that at?
My brother taught me that.
Your brother taught you? I thought I was the one that taught you. Anyway, guys, like I said, this car is menacing. And I'm in love. It's just everything about the car. You can see in the inside and the interior. It looks like it has the Alcantara steering wheel, the red stitching, red seat belt. You can see the 6-speed manual there. Right there, this is an antenna. I know a lot of people always wonder what this is, and I used to too, but this is actually an antenna.
Looks like a shark.
It looks like a what?
Shark.
Yeah, it does look like a shark a little bit, huh? But this is the beautiful ZL1 1LE. I wanted to come out here and show you guys the vehicle. We're going to try to see if we can get some keys real quick. If we can't get the keys, I apologize. But if we do get the keys, watch out. Let's go.
Wavy Boy Productions.
Give them prayer hands, say what's up America. Half of you should know me, right? Other half a replica. Shout out to my shout out to that one dude. Oh wait, fuck that, ain't nobody held my ass out on this jump through. Seems like they finally give a